Hello, a big hello from Soneva Kiri. I am still here and today I'm going on a little adventure. Obviously, I'm taking you guys with me. So they have a couple of restaurants here, but they have a little treetop adventure where they take you up on a treetop and you have a nice, lovely meal there. So me and my sister Alpa are going to go and experience that. So come with me and hope you will enjoy it. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button while I'm here telling you about this.
But when we walking, we are walking on the center because on the left and on the right is just like sometimes the screw is not good.
Okay.
And it's the flipping of the wood.
Oh, okay.
Normally half of the three top, we have to serve with some sparkling or champagne so on here or like it when you pay booking.
Right. Time to board the aircraft. Over there. Passenger 1. So maximum 4 people then?
Just 4 people.
Oh really?
That one is mean class. The kid is already.
Yeah. Hold it so I sit down and then
do.
No problem.
If
do I
the cup
sit
is
this side to balance
big
it,
enough
right?
4
Yeah.
and 1 kid, no.
Oh.
Just only 4 because we are protect for safety of the heavy weight or
Right.
anything,
Yeah.
just like for and the sling and everything.
Are we good? Yes, thank you.
Yes. So please enjoy this experience and on
We
top
will.
is Kun Coco. Kun Coco is will be called Tarzan Man. He will looking for your experience.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much, Kim. And there we go. We are up and away. Going up on the zip line. Alpa is taking pictures too. Let me just going up. We are now up. And we've got our drinks. Thank you so much.
It's a welcome drink. Today will be a hummingbird song. It's like a raspberry with orange juice topped with ginger ale.
Ah, lovely. So, because it's Diwali, we have got a welcome drink and also a selection of Indian sweets. As you can see, I've eaten my gulab jamun. There's son papri, there's kaju katli, baklava, some other mithai, and I just want to show you. Alpa is there with me, and this is our view. You can see the other island. You can see just the ocean, and there's nothing else here. I'll show you without dropping my phone. That's the bottom. And that is the view, the setup. Just magical, absolutely magical. If you're wondering how the food comes here to the tabletop kind of dining space, Coco here is going to show us how he brings the food.
Okay, see you later.
Okay,
Bye bye.
bye. Thank you. And this is how he goes and he brings us food. And that's it, guys. This is simply amazing, an experience I've never had before, and I won't be forgetting this anytime soon. The guys coming back from the zip line.
Okay.
That is beautiful. This view is stunning, and I know it's a really short video, but hope you guys enjoyed it with me. And I know by the time this video goes out, Diwali will be over, but I just want to say a big thank you for all your love and support this year. May Diwali bring you lots of light and love in your life. And wish you all a very happy Diwali wherever you are in the world, and hope you get to spend it with some sweets with your family and friends. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. Come on, I have to say that. I have to say bye for now.
You're welcome ครับ Hope you will like the Treepod experience.
Oh, we
Loved
loved
it.
it.
Thank you.
You're welcome ครับ
So we are now ready to go down, back down to reality.